What is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check news. The topic of today's video is your fourth stimulus check update. Let's start with the very first article. Fourth stimulus check update. The White House says possible payment up to Congress. Basically, like I talked about earlier, I said it once, I'll say it again. Joe Biden said 100% he will confirm another stimulus check package if he could actually get a stimulus bill on his table, meaning the Democrats, Republicans, and people inside Congress have to actually come together and make some kind of compromise, some kind of agreement. So as we see right here, while the IRS continues to send out weekly additional stimulus checks as part of Joe Biden's new stimulus check package, the latest round of stimulus checks as part of President Joe Biden's 1.9 trillion American Rescue Plan have provided more than $385 billion in its $1,400 payments to eligible recipients. Like I talked about, some people are eligible to receive it, some people are not. We'll get more in this article later, but then we go right here. Basically, 2/3 of Californians expect to get another state stimulus check. Basically, if you didn't know, California residents could actually expect to receive a fourth stimulus check. Well, right here, in quotes, California is going to come roaring back. Governor Gavin Newsom promised and proposed another round of checks. So they've already received a fourth stimulus check package in California, and Gavin Newsom is already proposing and promising another round, aka a fifth state stimulus check. Very good news. California Governor Newsom proposed another round of stimulus checks on Monday, potentially putting $600 in the pockets of millions of California households for a second time. Again, they received a fourth stimulus check for about $600, and now he's saying he wants to do the same thing again. And the question that's on every single person's mind: will there be a fourth stimulus check update? Will you get a fourth relief stimulus check payment? That's what we're going to talk about in today's video. All I want to do is I want to take 2 seconds out this video, and I want to let you know, make sure to check my channel every single day. I post minimum one video daily, and in every single video I give away free Amazon gift cards. If you want to enter the free Amazon gift card giveaway, all you have to do is you must hit that like button, you must hit that subscribe button. So whatever your favorite color is, just comment it below. Like, blue, green, red, yellow, whatever it is, leave it in the comment section. And if you don't want to write out the whole word, you could just comment that color emoji, so blue emoji, red emoji. But you must hit that like and subscribe button, leave a comment. Every single day I post daily videos. I give away free Amazon gift card giveaways. I given over 1,500 people free Amazon gift card, over $22,000. Even if you don't see I posted a video, check my channel every single day. I do post daily. Let's get back to the very first article. Child tax credit. When will people actually start receiving them? When will it begin? Hopefully in the next 2 weeks, guys. Whether or not a fourth stimulus checks will actually find traction in Washington, no matter what actually that ends up happening, you will receive, monthly child tax credits, hopefully starting in the next 2 weeks. That's allegedly what they're saying. I have to say allegedly. Not only that, but again, if you do live in California, you can expect to receive about, another $600 in the fifth stimulus check package. Right here, the proposal is made possibly by a large windfall of the state's budget. Basically, Newsom said, I'm about to make an announcement that no other governor in California history has ever made, and I want no arguments over no governors. I want American history has ever made. Basically, Newsom said, today we're announcing a $75.7 billion budget surplus. What does this mean? How come one state, California, has enough money in their state to do a second $600 fifth stimulus check package, and other states in this country as a whole, our economy, how come we can't find money, even though Joe Biden actually commented and said, went on record and said there's leftover stimulus money? How come we can't afford to get a fourth stimulus check package? Comment below. Do you guys support or do you not support a fourth stimulus check? Do you support reoccurring monthly stimulus checks? Right here, the strong economic recovery for some. Yes, some people actually did receive, their jobs back. They receive, the same amount of money they're making. But listen, guys, there's still probably 20 to 25% of Americans that are still in financial debt. They still have financial burden. They still have, bills to pay. And what do? Do we just forget about them? No, people need at least minimum one more additional stimulus check. That's just my personal opinion. I personally do support reoccurring monthly stimulus checks. I literally would have voted for Andrew Yang. When I say I'm not a Republican or a Democrat, there's a bunch of things on the Democratic and the Republican side that I don't like. And honestly, both parties are lying to you, and we're way more than a political party. We're human beings. We're patriots. We love this beautiful country. Guys, if you love my videos, if you love, free money, please hit that like button. Share this on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Hit that like. Come back every single day. I post daily videos. And if you have 99 cents, you want to support me, please hit this white join button on my channel. If you hit the white join button, you become a member. You get a bunch of cool perks. such as you get a diamond next name that changes colors. Look in the comments right now. If you see someone that has a diamond that changes colors in their name, that means they're a member. They means they support me. Every single penny, all the money I make on my YouTube, every single penny I make off the views, the ads, people hitting join, all that money goes right back in a fund that I use to continue to do daily free Amazon gift card giveaways. I've given away 100% of the money I made on my YouTube, literally $23,000 in 1 year, all went back to other people. Not only did I do daily giveaways, I also was picking people in the comments to actually receive free Christmas gifts, because I know a lot of people didn't have, money during the pandemic. Comment below if you remember me doing that. Please hit the white join button. It only costs 99 cents. I also have a Patreon. If you have $1, click either the white join button on my channel or the link to my Patreon. $1, guys. All the money does go to a good cause. It all does go to someone else in need. So please do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment below, guys. Hit this white join button if you have an extra 99 cents. Share this on social media. Make sure to come to my channel every single day. I post daily videos and daily giveaways. That's it for today, everyone. Have a great day. Peace.